Hello, my name is David Osborne and I'm from Celsius Solar Limited, and today we're going to show you our new product. It's called a Jompy boiler. This device allows you to boil water and cook at the same time, which I'll now show you. This is an African jiko, available in Africa, funnily enough. The water, you can boil up food or do your soups, stews, etc. at the same time as boiling water with your Jompy. It fits over any fire, like so. This can be flame or charcoal or gas, anything that has a flame. You place your pan on top. This will cook as normal, providing you with copious amounts of hot water supplied from a very primitive water supply. Plastic tank, pipe connection, tube. Nothing more. The water goes in the handle, around, catching the flame, and back out again into a container of your choice. This temperature of water is 93.6 degrees, which will certainly eradicate bacteria, helping with the fight against cholera and dysentery and any waterborne diseases. Give you some peace of mind for when you're cooking, you're cleaning, you're consuming the food. So I'm going to press hold and bring the thermometer closer so you can physically see the temperatures attained. Now that temperature of 90 odd degrees can be reduced for showering by increasing the water flow by raising the tank or putting a pressurised supply behind it. But for the purpose of this simplistic device, this is perfect. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and trouble for viewing this video. Thank you.